How this? Yeah guys, pick up on yourself as it. Yeah man, up and running. Dex Media. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Cause we're gonna post a lot of video now. You see it? You know, so when you did I wonder why we not post. We're gonna post a whole heap of video now. When I got a video for days. Yeah, so tell a friend, share the link and everything, is it? No? Yeah, people see puppy there where did up by bush.
You don't know the song you can card with you happy about next media.
Alright, testing. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, testing. Welcome back to my channel. I know say your boy Dex Media. So this is a new device and we're testing it out to see how good it is. And the microphone. So we're back up and running again. So you guys can look out for some new content and thing as it. Yeah man, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Yeah man, Dex Media. Guys, so this is the push where we normally go. Yeah guys, bless up on yourself. Long time when I do a little vlog. That's our show now I go on for the farm. You see it? Yeah man, long time when I tour the farm. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. You know, say a long time when I do the video. But we are back. Yeah, Dex Media. Live and living colors. Yeah man, big up on yourself. So we are going to tour the farm. Actually see what I go on to the farm. There's a show now I'm going to the farm seeing where people. You see, the farm empty you know. And then the farm would have full of big banana plant and everything. I don't know what I'm going. Like we have a little drought in the farm you know. Farm shell down you know man. I know. And I go on for the farm you know. Yeah guys, let me know if you don't like the quality and thing, because it's a new device you're using now. I remember me telling you know people, you gotta step up a game you know. Yeah man, enough video now get from we and thing. I want to post as often as possible. Yeah. See these are pineapples. Yeah. So I just pineapple in this farm right now. Yeah, much stuff is not here right now. We're gonna see what go on. Alright. Alright, look what I'm going now. So this is a guava tree. And from previous video, when I'm out there come and pick a guava. Yeah, loving this guava tree. Alright, so we're gonna take our time and go back down to the house now. This is a test video to actually see the quality of this brand new device. So I'm gonna just sit back and go and enjoy this video set speed. See you see it? Yeah. Banana tree there is the same way though, people. See there? That's a banana tree. Yeah. Puppy. Lead the way, puppy. That's my dog right there. Alright. Puppy, I wait for him master, eh? What a good puppy, man. Puppy. I say I wait for your master. What a view, guys. Panda view there. View there, sick. Yeah. Sick. Look at the views, guys. This is a very beautiful views. Yeah. Look what we found right here, people. This is a papaya tree, is it? Yeah, man, this is a papaya. Papaya. That's an orange tree right there. Yeah, right there. This is my mom chicken pen. For now on, I do one video about this chicken farm and you can let me know. Let me know when you want to do one video in there.
Okay.
Let me know when you can do one. You see the views? Oh yeah, for the good and done. Can't just do it anyway. I'm gonna put on clothes. Look at this. Yeah guys, pick up on yourself as it. Yeah man, up and running. Dex Media. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Cause we're gonna post a lot of videos now. You see it? You know, so when you did I wonder why we not post. We're gonna post a whole heap of video now. When I got a video for days. Yeah, so tell a friend, share the link. And everything is it. No. Yeah, people see puppy there where it up by bush. Yeah. Even that, you know. I'm up and running.
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging.
Spike's jealous. Look, Spike's dog.
Spike. I'm going.
And hungry.
Let's see our next one here, people. Yeah, one or two of them we have left back right now.